You look mad. You need a hug.
No, Gwen, I don't need a hug.
Don't fight it. It'll make you feel better.
Can you let go now?
You feel better?
No.
Then it hasn't kicked in yet.
I see forever.